What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Turbo. Nice little ABC correction sitting at 0.010, down 0.63 on the day. Market cap 654 million, 25 on 147 million. So, as you can see with Turbo, we pushed up 1, 2, wave 3, ABC correction. We have broken the A wave low, so we can see a straight push up from here. And of course, if we break that B wave high, that's more confirmation. I'm already in a long position. If it gets stopped out, then I look for another entry down here. Our risk to reward is 10 to 1. You can join my free Discord where I'm giving the signals. Click the link in the comments. But this is our pullback zone. So if we don't bounce from here, I'd imagine we'd bounce from this support area in between 0.0085 and 0.0092, which could also offer a nice long position for our friend Turbo. And then we push up in the wave 5. So take a trend-based swim extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3. If this were to be the bottom of 4, of course that's not promised, then your wave 5 target would take you up to 0.0149. And from the current price, that would be a juicy trade of about 47%. It can also push up to the 78.6. And of course, if we zoom out for Turbo, our largest wave count, as you guys have been following along, we're already close to hitting it. We're very close, which is all the way up here at 0.019. So it's been awesome to watch Turbo see this big juicy pump. I loaded up on Turbo on this pullback, so very happy to see it. I'll continue to hold it. I'm buying 2 more meme coins today. Nacho, it's on the Kaspa network, as well as Kaspi, also on the Kaspa network. They haven't been listed on Mexi yet, but soon to be. So Kaspa should do really good in the bull run, and those meme coins will follow suit. So definitely worth looking into. Just know that they're very high risk plays. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at for our friend Turbo. If we look at Bitcoin, we broke out of this massive bull flag and we're just retesting it. So I do think we'll bounce off that trend line and see continuation back to the upside. And of course, if you measure your flagpole, bruh, can take a measurement of the flagpole from this correction up here, and that will take the price of BTC all the way to 200K. Well, that'd be amazing, hopefully. But yeah, we have broken out of it. We retested it. You can also measure the flag, take it to your point of breakout, and that would take you all the way up to about 86K. So that's what I'm looking at for Turbo and BTC. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. This is one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. You get 10% back on every single one of your trades when you sign up through my link. It is available worldwide. No KYC, no VPN required. And yeah, make sure to join my free Discord. Probably won't be free forever, for my crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.